Can email marketing help you increase the sale of your business? So this video is very important. I will request you guys to watch this video full, right? So we want to understand that whether email marketing is going to increase the sale of our business or not, right? So let's take an example of the marketing. Why we are doing the marketing? Because when you do the marketing, your whole purpose is to sell your product and services. So let's take an example. If you are selling a services right now and you are doing a marketing, you go to the Facebook, you run an ad, you spend your 1000 rupees in the Facebook, and you are spending in the marketing, right? So why you are doing that? Because marketing is the part of the sale. We are doing the marketing in order to sell something, right? Same email marketing is also like that, right? So when you doing the email marketing, what you do, you go to the Facebook, you are providing something, for free to the people. Let's say you are targeting the people to increase their weight. People are skinny right now, and you want them to, you literally want to help them. You go to the Facebook, you run an ad for the skinny people that these are the three things which you can do in order to improve your health, in order to increase your weight. You can able to see certain difference in that, right? You run an ad, and when you run that particular ad, in that time you are providing the free videos to the people that I mentioned these particular three things in this free video. If you want to have this free video, you have to go to the Facebook, and you have to put your email ID so that you can get the video. So now you get you get their email ID. So what you're gonna do in that time, you get their email ID, right? So once you get their email ID, now you have to send them certain content, right? Every single day, or maybe if you are the person who is doing the job right now, so you don't have so much of time, so every single week you are providing the content to the people. So why you are doing that? Because you want to build the trust, right? So whenever we have a YouTube channel, we are providing the videos to other people, our audience. Why? Because we wanted to create a trust, right? When we have an Instagram page, we are providing the post every single day. Why we are doing that? Because we want to build the trust. We want to gain their trust so that we can sell them, we can help them in the future. Same goes to email marketing also. If you are doing that, you are providing the content, you are providing something for free every single day in order to gain their trust. Once you gain the trust, now whenever you make an offer, they will think about it, they will try to buy from you, because now you get their trust, right? So that's how email marketing helps you to increase the sale. But it is not directly that, hey, if you want to increase the weight, these are the three things which you can do in order to improve your health, and see, if you want to gain the weight, I have a product. They're definitely not going to buy from me. That which you need to understand. It's a process, it's a continuous process. Every single day, 2 day, 3 day, 1 week, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, there is a saying that every single person's requirement will change after 90 days. So certain people will not, they are not buying from you, but if they are in your email list, and if they open the email regularly of yours, eventually they will buy from you. But till the time, you need to provide them the value. So that's how email marketing helps you increase the business. So right now, if you are looking for someone to write your email copy, definitely you can consider me, because I am a copywriter. I am creating this particular kind of a content, email marketing, in order to position myself as an email copywriter. So if you need the help, please message me on Instagram. Definitely we can see how can I help you in that time. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Thank you.